Hi students, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. This is Chandrasekhar, physics teacher. So today we discuss 6th class physics assignment 5. So the chapter is playing with magnets. In this chapter 7 questions are given. The very first question is who used compass 100 years ago? Who used compass 100 years ago? Chinese sailors or used the magnetic compass in 100 years ago. So that is the answer of first question. Coming to the question number 2, define magnetic induction. Magnetic induction means magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet is called magnetic induction. So coming to the question number 3, the Earth's magnetic field is like a bar magnet at the center only. So the Earth's magnetic field is like a bar magnet at the center. If you observe in this diagram, so here total Earth act as a big magnet. So here bar magnets like at the center of the Earth only. So at the center. So here coming to the question number 4, magnetic property is dash in safety pin due to the bar magnet. Magnetic property is induced. Magnetic property is induced in safety pin due to the bar magnet. So here what principle involving here? Magnetic induction principle is involving here. So magnetic property is induced in safety pin due to the bar magnet. That is the answer of fourth question. Coming to the question number 5. What will happen if the magnetized nail is suspended freely? What will happen if the magnetized nail is suspended freely? So on that one, if you take one nail like this, if you magnetized this nail with the help of a bar magnet, so here two poles are exits, north and south. So if you stroke it or rub it to that nail, so the nail act as a magnet. If you freely suspended that nail, it always shows the north and south direction only. It always shows north and south direction only. So here what will happen? So if the magnetized nail, if you freely suspended that magnetized nail, it always shows the north and south direction, because here nail one end act as a north and another end act as a south. That's why the freely suspended nail always shows the north and south direction. So coming to the question number 6, explain how a safety pin act as a magnet. So on that one, just you have to take one bar magnet. Here we have to take one bar magnet. So here north and south poles are exits. Take one safety pin. So like this, safety pin like this. So if you attach that one more safety pin we have to attach it now. So due to the magnetic induction, due to the magnetic induction property, that pins attracts one by one. So that is the principle involving in the safety pins. So that is the answer of question number 6. Coming to the question number 7, how do we make your own magnets? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So on that one, just you have to take one steel bar as shown in figure. If you take one steel bar, so this is steel bar. So take one bar magnets like north and south pole containing north and south. Just you have to rub it in this direction. If you take bar magnets in north pole, so take that one in this direction, rub it, and again if you lift it and again you should rough it. So due to in this direction. So after some time, if you take that one in 20 to 30 times, if you do the same process 20 to 30 times, that steel rod or nail, iron rod, it behaves like a magnet. It's behave like a magnet because of that magnetic property or induced or attracts this nail or iron rod. So you can easily find out you can easily make your own magnets with the help of bar magnets. So repeat the same process 20 to 30 times, and you have to give some iron nails on that iron rod or a steel bar. It can attract. So the bar magnet, with the help of bar magnet, we can easily do that own magnet. So that is the answer of question number 7. Thank you students. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you.